How to trim video in Instagram story. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can trim videos in your Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to trim your video on Instagram story, it depends upon what you're talking about, whether you're trying to upload a long story or whether you're trying to edit the story. So just go about creating a video. Now normally Instagram supports up to 1 minute of video, so if you select 1 minute 40 seconds or above that, then it basically means that Instagram is going to crop them automatically based on the size. So when I select this 1 minute 46-second video, it's not going to be uploaded in the full format, but it is only going to be uploaded to a specific size, which is only 1 minute. And to trim it, you will not be able to trim it inside of the YouTube Instagram story tab. When you're posting something to your reels, you can trim them, but not inside of your story. Inside of your story, you have to already edit them from any of the software. So in this case, there are many video editing softwares out there, such as CapCut, you have InShot. You can use all those, or you can also use a video splitter if you want to upload long video story, or you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and search for the video that you want to trim, or you can simply open up your own gallery app, because your own phone also has a video trimmer. You can tap the edit button here and then just trim to the segment of the video that you do not like, and then you can cut them accordingly. And after you've done that, only then you should be able to go ahead and then upload your video. In Instagram story directly, you will not be able to trim it. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.